Autorust Warrior electronic corrosion control is a method to prevent rust and corrosion in vehicles. Rust is indeed a natural process that occurs when metal reacts with its environment, particularly in the presence of moisture and oxygen. Autorust Warrior aims to address this issue by utilizing scientific principles and electronic technologies to interfere with the rusting process and extend the lifespan of vehicles. Electronic Corrosion Control Autorust Warrior. The basic principle behind Autorust Warrior is to introduce a controlled electrical charge onto a metal surface to interfere with the corrosion process. By applying a small static charge to the auto body, as you mentioned, the aim is to create an electrostatic field that inhibits the oxidation reaction responsible for rust formation. The effectiveness of this approach has been demonstrated in various industries, including underground pipelines, naval vessels, and oil industry installations. In these contexts, Autorust Warrior has been utilized to mitigate corrosion and extend the lifespan of structures exposed to harsh environments. The idea of using Autorust Warrior to protect automotive bodies from rust is an innovative application of this technology. The hope is that by introducing a protective electrostatic charge, areas where the paint coating has been compromised due to scratches, stone chips, etc., can be shielded from the rusting process. This preventive measure aims to prolong the life of the vehicle's body and reduce the need for traditional rust-proofing methods. It's clear that the Autorust Warrior electronic corrosion control system presents an innovative and alternative approach to traditional rust inhibition methods, such as coatings. The technology is grounded in the concept of using an automobile's ability to generate and maintain capacitance, facilitated by the Autorust Warrior electronic unit, to provide protection against rust. The system seems versatile, with applications spanning from automotive use to light and heavy industries. One key advantage highlighted is its ability to safeguard up to 40 square meters of painted sheet metal, which is significant for larger structures like vehicles. Moreover, the Autorust Warrior system's flexibility is showcased by its capacity to protect smaller areas, such as household appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, and dishwasher, air-conditioned outers. The Autorust Warrior electronic corrosion control system is indeed unique and stands out for its ability to substantially extend the lifespan of auto bodies by utilizing a technology known as electrolyte capacitive discharge oxidation interference, ECDOI. This technology is a type of impressed current technology that aims to combat the corrosion process. The Autorust Warrior rust control module is designed to connect to a standard car battery and draws a minimal amount of current, comparable to that of a car's clock. Through an 8-second cycle, the module releases a surge of free electrons throughout the vehicle, targeting areas that have lost their protective paint and coatings due to factors like stone chips, scratches, and abrasions. By shielding these exposed areas, the Autorust Warrior system aims to hinder the rusting process significantly. It's worth noting that while the charge emitted by the Autorust Warrior module is too small to be perceptible, the interference caused by these free electrons is meant to disrupt the corrosion process and slow down rust and corrosion development. Autorust Warrior electronic corrosion control works. The term electrolyte capacitive discharge oxidation interference, ECDOI, refers to the specific process by which Autorust Warrior operates. It involves using impressed current technology to interfere with the oxidation corrosion process on a vehicle's surface. In this process, the Autorust Warrior system utilizes the principles of electrochemistry and capacitive coupling to introduce a controlled flow of electric current. This current is discharged into the vehicle's structure, particularly focusing on areas where the protective paint coatings have been compromised, such as due to stone chips or scratches. The idea is that this controlled electric current disrupts the natural oxidation process, which would lead to rust and corrosion. By interfering with the oxidation process through ECDOI, Autorust Warrior aims to extend the lifespan of the auto body and prevent or slow down the development of rust and corrosion. Autorust Warrior electronic rust protection system operates within the automotive environment. The system's sophisticated electronics create a protective electron field that permeates the metal structure of the vehicle. This electron field serves to disrupt the usual rusting process by providing an ample supply of free electrons. In the natural rusting process, electrons are typically drawn away from the metal, leading to the deterioration of the steel. However, the Autorust Warrior system counteracts this by introducing additional free electrons into the equation. These electrons are readily available and contribute to preventing the loss of electrons from the metal structure. This interference in the rusting process helps to maintain the integrity of the steel and extend the life of the vehicle's body. The Autorust Warrior electronic rust protection system operates by taking advantage of the principles of electrochemistry and electron flow. Here's a breakdown of how the system works. 1. Electron barrier of paint. You're correct that automobiles are coated with a layer of paint that acts as a barrier to protect the underlying metal from environmental factors, including moisture and oxygen. However, this paint can develop breaks over time due to factors like stone chips, scratches, and abrasions. 2. Electron field generation. The autorust warrior system is designed to maintain and manipulate the flow of electrons within the metal structure of the vehicle. It uses sophisticated electronics to generate a protective electron field. 3. Electron cycling procedure. The autorust warrior system goes through a cycling procedure at regular intervals, typically every 8 to 10 seconds. During this cycle, it releases impressed electrons into the metal body of the vehicle. These impressed electrons are surplus electrons that the system introduces into the metal. 4. Electron movement and condenser effect. As the autorust warrior unit releases these impressed electrons, they seek to escape from the metal body through any breaks in the dielectric coating, such as paint defects. The presence of these impressed electrons creates an electron-rich environment within the metal structure. 5. Repulsion and electron movement. Electrons are negatively charged particles, and they repel each other due to their like charges. This repulsion forces the impressed electrons to move away from each other, seeking to return to a more positive state. 6. Rusting process interference. The impressed electrons that escape through the breaks in the paint layer interfere with the natural rusting process. In the rusting process, oxygen seeks to couple with electrons from the metal to form rust. However, the presence of these additional electrons disrupts this coupling, slowing down the oxidation reaction. 7. Localized rust retardation. By introducing excess electrons and allowing them to escape through the breaks in the paint coating, the autorust warrior system retards the rusting process at specific sites where the protective paint barrier has been compromised. 8. Protection and extension of auto body life. By consistently interfering with the rusting process and maintaining a protective electron field, the autorust warrior system helps to shield the vehicle's metal structure from the effects of corrosion. This can extend the life of the auto body and help maintain its structural integrity. Overall, the autorust warrior electronic rust protection system employs the manipulation of electron flow and electrochemical principles to create a barrier against rusting and corrosion in areas where the protective paint coating has been compromised. The autorust warrior electronic rust protection system offers a range of benefits to vehicle owners, helping to protect and maintain the appearance and structural integrity of their vehicles. Here are some key benefits of the autorust warrior system. Paint sealant protection. Durable long-lasting protection. The autorust warrior system provides long-lasting protection to the vehicle's paint finish. It helps maintain a deep shine without the need for frequent waxing. Plastic-like shield. The system forms a protective barrier on the clear coat finish, acting like a shield to protect and enhance the appearance of the paint. UV barrier. The autorust warrior system includes an ultraviolet UV barrier that helps prevent oxidation and fading caused by the sun's harmful rays. Water sheeting. Water sheets off the paint surface due to the protective properties of the autorust warrior system. This reduces the likelihood of water spots or etching on the paint. Underbody protection. The autorust warrior system provides protection to the underbody of the vehicle, safeguarding it against rust and corrosion caused by exposure to moisture, road salt, and other environmental factors. Rust inhibitor body panel protection. The system serves as a rust inhibitor, protecting the body panels of the vehicle from the rusting process. It interferes with the oxidation reaction that leads to rust formation. Interior protection. The autorust warrior system also contributes to interior protection, helping to shield the interior components of the vehicle from the effects of corrosion and rust. Comprehensive protection. The autorust warrior system offers complete protection, addressing both the exterior and interior of the vehicle. It covers 100% of the sheet metal, ensuring that all vulnerable areas are safeguarded. Low power consumption. The autorust warrior system is designed to consume minimal power, requiring only 23 milliamperes of current. This is less current than what a car clock typically uses. Transferable and warranty. The benefits of the autorust warrior system are transferable to your next vehicle. If you decide to change vehicles, you can potentially transfer the system to the new vehicle. The autorust warrior system comes with a 1-year limited warranty, providing peace of mind to the vehicle owner. Overall, the autorust warrior electronic rust protection system offers a comprehensive solution for protecting your vehicle against rust, corrosion, and the damaging effects of the environment. It provides benefits such as paint protection, underbody protection, rust inhibition, and interior protection, all while consuming low power and offering warranty coverage.